All right, so as always, the questions have been randomly plugged into here. They're not in order of your paper, but I was smart enough this time to keep the problem number with the question. So when you when we go to it, it'll say closure question 68 or question 72 or whatever. So Barbara's book is on the ground back there. You might want to get it. That seems like a use of the book. So to start us off, from this team over here, which is our North team, and I'll get the scoreboard up there. Simon. Actually, should we put the scoreboard on this board to keep it away?
Yes.
Sure. All right, Simon, pick a number.
13.
13. We're out of spooky season now. But... All right, lucky number 13. Draw figures 1 and 5. So essentially, you'll have to tell me what it looks like. Draw figures 1 and 5. And I gave you space on your paper to do this. Wait, did I? No, well, kind of. Because then it tells you make a graph. So, I mean, you could kind of split that graph space, or you could just kind of draw them in space. You could just kind of draw them wherever you want. It's way too quiet. You guys know you could be talking to each other. So Simon, whenever you're ready, just let me know, because this is only part A. This question is only about part A. If you don't know what this is, it's time to get educated. All right, before it breaks into the actual song, does anyone know who this is? Nobody?
Is it Drake?
Close.
Is it Drake?
It's the Rolling Stones.
Oh. Same thing.
All right, Simon, you ready?
Okay, yeah.
All right, what would figure 1 look like?
Like describe it on how many
Yeah,
blocks
tell me what it looks like.
Okay, so there's 3 blocks and then a diagonal 1.
Perfect.
And then
Figure 5?
figure 5 is 3 blocks and then diagonal 5 by 5.
Yeah, it is. Send someone to the tower. 13 is gone. Claire, pick a question. Yeah, we'll take those off.
You got this.
This is such a good song, guys. That is yes, I know. Sorry, you looked at me and you got my attention, and then my brain kind of shut off. Get what you need. Get what you need. I heard some congratulations in store this time. Congratulations, guys. Heard you made the books. Anyone else in here make the musical? I knew Laurel because she's my advisor. Nice, congrats. That's a bad place for a backpack. Well, the middle of a walking path. Not a great idea. What's up? Yeah, this is just closure. You can use your resources. Oh, Beatrice, my bad. My brain was thinking about how you guys are separated today. I don't know if you're going to be able to survive being on different teams. So I'm real worried. I'm just concerned.
I'm fine. I miss your team.
The really smart people are also working on other problems if they have this one done already. So, Claire, you guys ready?
No.
Okay. So obviously it says to graph them, but I don't need to see your graph. I just need to know where they intersect. I think they definitely should because they have different slopes. Right, we talked about different slopes will intersect. Oh, and by the way, just because you guys won't get to see this otherwise, so I'm going to minimize this for a minute. What you want? Get what you need. Get what you need. So, by the way, nobody found me last night, but if you had tried to find me, I was in my penguin costume that is reminiscent of Gigi the penguin. Sorry, yes, I too am glad that Gigi is gone forever. But, yes, so that was me out giving out candy until 8 o'clock. I pushed through to the end, not everyone else did.
Guess what? You want to know why?
Frostbite? I mean, that's my guess. But
Okay, but is Gigi a boy or a girl?
Gigi is an evil being of
why does Gigi have to choose?
hate.
Just let Gigi be.
But no,
Gigi
I was
is
just saying
evil.
that
Gigi is the
little
embodiment
penguin
of
could not
Satan.
step over anything.
Satanic.
Anything.
So I need, for this question, the X and the Y. Right? We need the full solution. You need to be able to do it manually also, Charlie. So I like that you're using your resources, but you also need to be able to do it like with algebra. So just make sure that you know how. Right? Just my phone. Get what you need.
So, X being 2. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, so it's going to be correct. So the very top of the graph.
Now, if you guys don't know this next song, I'm just going to be sad.
Actually, I know
Some of them.
I guarantee somebody will know this song, Owen. Maybe not you.
I wish I didn't know this song.
you want, what you really, really want.
I know it's from
This song was not last year. This song was like last decade.
the teacher's
Actually, it's probably longer than that. Vivian is not international. That look you just gave me. It felt into my core. Aquan does not look entertaining either. I don't think this is his jams. Alright, how we doing on getting to this answer? Alright, because I was about to say, now we're dancing, so.
I didn't know these two
All right.
were connected.
Claire, for all the marbles. Oh, I never even gave North a place to put their score. I don't know why we say for all the marbles. Claire, what is the solution here? 2, 9 is correct.
Woo! Go us, y'all. Go us.
So South team, you now get to pick. Alex, go ahead and give us a number.
I'll go up.
3 is gone, 13 is gone.
Get a big one. Wait, I'm sorry, sir.
1.
Which one's for more points? The edges?
Edges are worth more. They are worth 9. The total points are either 7 or 9.
We're awesome.
Oh wait, we should also be putting. Can I put?
Sam.
Yeah, you need to put your points up there as well.
Okay, wait. So
You guys better know this band.
sides on.
I want to break free.
Oh my gosh, at Claire's you can buy a jet ski. Oh my gosh.
God knows I want to break free.
Wait, 1 plus 4 is 9, right? Okay.
In love for the first time. I went and saw a Queen Shrimp band live in Mexico at the resort that we were at. I melted. It was the best show I think I've ever seen.
I can't stop saying it. Ever since I swore, I've been No. That's the funny thing. I have no clue.
Well, the only reason I get to be as like me as I am is you guys are so awesome. That's really the trick. Is if we're all awesome, we can all be awesome, and everything is awesome. Little Lego Movie reference there. You gotta play your electric keyboard. This is a synthesizer. It's like a keyboard, or it might have been a guitar. Like, who knows? Well, we could probably look it up and figure it out. Guys, if you don't know who this is, it's Queen, one of the best bands of all time.
Oh my god, they made
No, I do not. Queen is arguably, Freddie Mercury is one of the best singers that has ever lived. Listen to his voice.
Well, I've heard many good voices.
Not Freddie Mercury. Seriously. And another artist who was taken too young. How we doing? This is your guys' problem, right? Alright. A lot of times artists have some stuff going on inside of them, right? So there is.
But you started at 0.
But you actually getting in trouble for being distracted. I'm just gonna start talking to my camera. Do a little like break the fourth wall.
Like Jim bummed up.
Yes, where he just gives the looks. Maybe I should start to break the fourth wall. That'd be funny. Just like look at the camera and be like, "Can you believe these kids?"
If there's someone
Who what?
absent,
I don't know what the fifth wall is. You know what the fourth wall is? The camera. So like when you're watching a show, the fourth wall is the view of the camera. Because the fourth wall.
Oh yes,
is
that's
the,
why.
is
That's
the
what you
camera.
break the one.
You like talking as you
I baked it.
like break the fourth wall. I just did. You're on the fourth. This is me breaking the fourth wall, and it's gonna freak out Maddie.
In the Polaris factory.
No. Maybe. No, yeah.
Is it in a hall?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's Polaris factory. Does the mall have bubbles?
All right.
Does the mall have the players? Malls have a line stuff. Does it have bubbles, players?
If you guys have, hey guys, remember the remaining questions become your homework. So this is just essentially time to get your homework done. We just do it in a fun way. So Alex, how's your team doing? You ready? Like you have an answer for this one? It's all good if you don't. I'm just checking in. All right, take a little bit longer. Check with each other.
I'm acting like I don't know this.
I know the song, but only from TikTok.
It is Grace Kelly by the band like Mika. I'm not 100% sure how to pronounce it, but I want it to be pronounced Micah. So, okay, how do you pronounce it?
What?
This band name, Mika, like is it Mika, Micah? Like, the band is spelled Mika.
Like
Mika. That's like how you spell the band.
Mika.
Micah. 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 It's Micah. Mike. Oh.
All right.
Micah.
Mika.
Only because the song is transitioning. You guys ready? Got an answer for our jet ski prices?
Adrian Lawrence, please come to the Perry office. Adrian, please come to the Perry office.
So do you guys have an answer? Okay, Alex is the question master, so he gets to give the answer if you have the equations right, you should end up at the right answer. If you don't, you won't probably end up at the right answer. So I'm just going to jump to it. Alex, after how many hours will the costs be equal? Boom. At 4 hours, the two shops will have equal costs. Send someone to the tower. One is gone. Ada, pick a number.
Oh.
6. All right. Another classic. I'm sorry. This is going to end up stuck in your head probably.
Oh, let's not listen to that one. That's the only time.
Is this Drake?
What is what?
Oh.
Oh, wait.
I want to dance with someone.
Oh my God, Joey.
Look, why is there, Mr. Hudson, why is there a V at the end of the chart? 2.
Oh, dude, I don't know where that came from. Is it on your paper too?
Yeah, it's on my paper.
I bet I hit Control V and then accidentally hit V again, like when I pasted the image. Man, this table's broken. If somebody would just put this table in order, I bet it would work better. Wait, it is in order.
Yeah, bingo.
What is in order?
Oh my God, Joey.
Oh, it's skipping. Interesting. Mr. Coach, There's a certain point once you get past like your voice changing from like baritone, bass, whatever, that your falsetto comes back and you hit those high notes again, and it's like,
Yeah, for real.
all right, what did I put on next? Ada, how you guys doing? Are like good? Like you're ready? You are ready? All right, fade out. Ada, what is our rule? Let's start there. What is our rule for y equals?
Y equals 2x minus 1.
2x minus 1? Oh, because we saw a growth on y of 4 when the x changed by 2. So we found our slope that way. And if our slope is 2, from this negative 1 to get to 0, we go up 2 and be at negative 1. Bada bing.
Bada boom.
I assume your table's filled in correctly then, because you can just keep plugging in whatever your x is to figure out your y. So send someone to the tower, please. 6 is gone. Gus, pick a number.
I won't knock it down.
7. Solve the equation for x. I'll turn it down a little, but it's really there so to block out the other stuff. Also, you guys talk less when I have music on. Yeah. Like the off-topic random comment stuff.
There's a block with a message to someone of Brenda.
Wait, what does it say?
What? By Mr. Hudson.
Mr. Hudson, who's Brenda?
Who's what?
There's a block over there.
Oh yeah, Brenda. Yeah, kidnapped one and left a ransom note.
Oh. Can I kidnap the people?
No.
Why can Brenda?
So why she kidnapped? Actually, she kidnapped 2 of them because there was an incomplete row and it very much bothered her that, like, when we built the tower, there were 2 blocks left over, so she took those and left a ransom note saying if I wanted them back, I needed to bring a 3rd block to finish the row, because, like, her OCD just could not take it.
And now one of the blocks are missing.
Yeah, and they're probably around here somewhere.
Then should I also do that?
Because I don't have any more lumber at home to cut up into Jenga blocks. Like, I would have to go buy lumber. And we have over a set. We have way too many blocks here.
What if I gave my dad to make it? What if I gave my dad to make it? What if I gave my dad to make it? He's a wood wolf.
What if you kept doing your homework so we could get this turned in on time when it's due? But really, they're just 2x3s. Instead of a 2x4, that's a 2x3 from Home Depot or Lowe's, wherever.
I want to get rid of the negative.
Oh.
Hey, friends. Children are wimps, and people gave up trick-or-treating last night. So I had way too much
I
leftover candy.
got a piece. See, I found out in the snow.
So, I'm going to come around and everyone gets a piece of candy. Thank you for being awesome.
Wow, thank you so much.
My mom was giving out candy, and apparently only like 10 people came to her house.
Only 3 people came to our house.
I am bad.
I'm about to give you guys a time limit that then I move on and you have to follow me.
Ooh, my house got like no one.
See, look, that's how quickly you should make a decision.
Aww. Someone took a bite out of
I'll take it.
Especially
Someone
John.
took a bite out of
Sit around too long with humidity.
Someone took a bite out.
Probably the factory. Without somebody actually.
I hate your fat. I find out.
No, I don't want it after you catch it.
The only reason I like my job so much. Yeah, not worth it. Not worth it. That's 0 up.
Please, sir. Please, the pickle cherry on top.
Charity.
With a pickle cherry on top. It's a whipped cream.
Realize what your shirt is. You and my wife have never experienced. She hates grape too. Every grape tastes like all medicine.
What is wrong?
Yeah, see, watermelon's the best. All right, I sure hope when we're done with this problem. What, Gus? Are you ready? Like out of its wrapper? Maddie, is this your first time eating candy?
I'll still eat
Throw it away. I'll give you another one.
Can I eat it?
Gus, no, this floor here is gross. The fact that they put carpet in public schools, great for sound, horrible for germs. Do not eat anything off this carpet. So, Gus. Yeah, because it's just x equals, right? Stop talking. We're coming back together. X equals -8. Man, Ada, for someone complaining about the music being distracting, you're sure distracting as we're trying to talk about the answer. Ouch. Trixie, pick a number. 9. You know, in German, you just told me no. Oh, yeah, Gus, send someone to the tower. Sorry, I'm just moving on. No, we didn't. It's part B. Unless you also did part B, and then good for you.
These are double stacked. Sir, these are double stacked, so it's like both of them are going.
What engineers made this tower?
Not me. Nuh-uh. You sit down. Sit down.
See it?
Sit down.
Oh, nope. This needs to rotate.
Sir, you're more.
I'm so sorry. if somebody had turned me on to engineering, I think I might have done that, but I love teaching. Like, but engineering is super fun. I mean, you should work on your skills a little bit first.
Henry,
Oh my gosh! Do you see the lean?
Last time I checked, Henry wants to be a civil engineer.
Nice. That's like making roads, bridges, all like the important stuff. All right. Beatrix, did your team happen to already have this done, or you need time? Yeah, I wondered if you'd have it done already. All right. Beatrix, what did you guys decide x is equal to? Is correct. Send someone to the tower, please. Make sure you're also giving yourself points, guys, because I don't care about the points, because really it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. It never matters.
Charlie, pick a number. What? Sorry. 10? I like marshmallow, but I don't know. Gravity works. All right, rebuild it. We got like 3 minutes left. Have to play what?
You have to play dangerous. Or no one will lose.
I know. I mean, yeah.
Actually, Jenga's so traumatizing. I broke my finger while playing Jenga. Oh. Big Jenga.
The whole tower fell on me, and the blocks fell on my finger and broke it.
Hey, so here's the deal. I put in way too many missings from the masteries, which, yeah, I was on the fence of putting in missing or progressing. So if you get on map and your grade looks like you have a not progressing in math, yeah, that's like what happens when a missing mastery goes in. Because obviously if you have a missing mastery that needs taken care of. So get your test turned back in and that'll change, right? We went over it in class. That video lives on my YouTube. If you need to do revisions, revise it before you turn it back in. Otherwise, I'm just going to give it back to you as a progressing if you didn't do any revisions. Now, if you got everything right and don't need to do revisions, great, turn it in. But I still need to see it again. We have like a minute left, but I mean, come on. I mean, I guess we could solve another problem. Wait, did we talk about the answer? Yeah, we did the answer to this one, and then the tower fell down. No, wait. No, Charlie just picked this one. Oh, this is perfect! Friends, no, seriously, this is like, I could not have planned this better. Grab a seat, Amir. Guys, 31. Well, I'm not even that worried about you guys, but you're obviously not paying attention. But 31 from 521, I want to say. Yeah, 521. Guys, homework help is really helpful. If you don't know what you're doing and you don't have me available, like I'm busy and not here, you're at home, whatever, go to homework help. If you went to homework help for 31, because you're like, wait, solve for the what? What is, I think the phrasing got some of you guys. We're trying to isolate X. So if you went to the homework help, it literally walked you through every single step all the way to the answer. So some of you didn't do this. Some of you skipped this problem. Some of you only did 2 of the 4 of you. Like, I got a little worried that for some reason we're acting like this is really tough. It's the same thing we've been doing with isolating Y. Just we choose other variables to isolate, like X, pushing everything else to the other side. All right, have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank you. I forgot to collect it, so it's in the past. It just doesn't. Nope.
Can I have my candy 2.0?
Oh yeah. Hold on, we have to carefully deliver. Make sure it has. What? Oh yeah. Yeah, right. Do with what? The tables? It's fine. I'll move them back.